Looking for value? Let me show you this nice property that I just put on the market in Fall River. You got 3 bedrooms, you got 2 baths, you got a humongous basement. Let's take a look. Walk into the modern kitchen with granite countertops, plenty of cabinet space. You got a good size dining room. And to the right, modern bathroom. You have one good sized bedroom. Huge master, good sized closet. Hardwood floors throughout. Huge living room. You got another 3rd bedroom on a double lot, 2,000 square feet. Let me show you the huge basement. Look at all this. A lot of stuff, but plenty of space to put another bedroom or 2 down here in the family room, or just leave the workshop the way it is. Laundry's over here. Look at the other bathroom in there. All this, $445 on a double lot. That double lot is buildable. Want more information? DM me and let's get things going. $445 is the price.